Hi guys, welcome once again to Tech the Things. Now today in the program I'll be showing you the easiest way to reverse park. Now if you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, just click the bell. Now let's go. So I'm entering the parking spot, and the one that I'm looking at is the one there to the left. So what you want to do is go to the opposite side slightly. You're going to check your mirror, and not only check it, you want to ensure that the side that you're parking, you want to have the near side of the line close to the near side of a wheel. In other words, if you're reversing from the right side, you want to have the right line close to the right rear wheel. And if you're reversing from the left side, then you want to have the left line close to the left rear wheel. Now, once all of that is done, then you put the vehicle in reverse. Now, this is why you want to have the line close to the wheel. You can easily maneuver from the near side. And as you watch me from the split screen, you see I'm changing all different turns in the steering wheel so that I can park easily. Now this is another angle where the camera is stuck to the trunk of the vehicle, and you see how to reverse. Now this is the other angle where you see me going the opposite side of the parking area. The left rear wheel is close to the left line. So once that is identified, then I turn the steering wheel to the opposite side and proceed by reversing. Now this principle is used or can be used for many different type of reverses. And that is how easy it is. Now once it is parked, you make sure walk around and do your inspection. So I hope you do enjoy this one, and just let me know what you think about it. And this is Duke from Tech the Things, and I'm saying peace out.